Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the manufacture date of your laptop. So the only way to do that is to tell by the serial number of your device, and the serial number is located on the back cover of your device. Now let me turn it over so you can see the serial number of my laptop and apply the same principles to yours. Now, if you take a closer look at the serial number, it consists of the characters part. I call this the characters part, and where the characters part and the date part begins, the number part begins, and the beginning of the number part is the first four digits. The first four numbers are your year. The first two numbers is the year of the manufacturer, which in my case is 2024, and then following two is the month of the manufacturing, which in my case is August. So this laptop was manufactured in August 2024, and that's how you check the manufacture date of your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.